Hi, sir. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
Bharti Rao has come in the merit, All India ranked second in SSC Tech 27, and she is going for her training in OTA, Chennai, in August itself, and it's very nice of her to come back and talk to us, because a lot of our YouTube viewers, they are struggling to get into the armed forces. Some of them are preparing for quite long, some of them are repeaters, and some of them are freshers, and they have no idea how long they are going to take to realize their dream. And it's people like you who have actually got into All India rank 2, and they can share their journey, and so that people know how much time does it actually take, and what kind of struggle what one has to put up to realize their dreams. So my first question is to you is that how many attempts to come to All India rank 2?
Sir, basically 6 attempts.
6 attempts?
Yeah, not for technical entry, including naval entries.
Okay.
But like it was maximum times I was conference out,
Okay.
and only twice I was screened out. So I knew that I have it in me. It's
Okay.
just not showing up the right date.
Yeah, that's true. Because I also believed in you, and I showed it to you so many times before you got recommended. You came here, you did your CDS training here, you did your SSB training here, and of course, I think you also bought my book.
Yes, sir, of course.
Your book.
Both the versions.
Both the versions.
19 version and 21 version.
Okay, both the versions.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll let my viewers know that every year I come out with an updated edition and best book on SSB interview. So that when you guys go to for your lecturate and group discussion and interview, you have some recent data to back up your logics, and that is the reason I think you bought the second edition also. Tell me, there was a difficult phase when you had your father terminally ill, and then subsequently you lost all those disturbances, and of course, economically also. So tell me about that part of the journey, that part of the struggles, and not giving up.
Right, sir. So basically, being there in 2017, final year of engineering, I came to know from my seniors that okay, girls can also go for defense.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, this is the only thing that I want to do, and it will suit my personality, and I'll be able to like give my 100% over there, because this is something. It's like a career. It's like a profession that actually attracts me. So I made up my mind, and without any preparation, I landed for my SSB. Luckily, or you say maybe I had it in me. So I got conference out.
Okay.
So my first attempt conference out at Bangalore. Second again it was within an interval of 1.5.
Like seeing you speak. Yeah, I'm interrupting you. Sorry for
Yeah,
that. Seeing you speak, you're not from a very good financial background.
Right.
So how could you get into a school where you learn to speak so fluently?
Yeah, so basically that is the decision of my parents.
Okay.
So my mother is she's done a master's in Hindi language.
In Hindi.
Yeah, but her only dream, and my father used to be a auto rickshaw driver, to have pick and drop services for schools. So there the teachers told ki, Mr. Sanjay, you have just one daughter plus, and please put her into a good school.
Okay.
So he blindly listened to whichever schools the teachers told, and they got me admitted in a very good school. My mother and father both. Because she was very educated, she take care of my education. It was like whatever you are given, you have to eat. Whatever you are told, you have to do. That kind of upbringing we had, and my father used to support it. Yeah, your mother is saying it's correct, you do it.
Okay.
So I have never seen a day wherein my teachers tell my mother or my father that your child is not performing well. Whatever be my financial conditions at home, maybe I'll get scoldings for my certain dresses not being proper, or whatever amount you have to spend at school. Sometimes that might get late, but it was done by my parents.
Okay.
So it was their dream that brought me here, and I was luckily in a very good school of Bhopal, CBSE school,
Okay.
that helped me actually come up good, and the support of my teachers, especially one of my English teachers. She supported me a lot, and I came up with good communication skills.
Because time and again I come across students who are financially not well off. They end up into a small school where their communication skills in English are lacking, and it is there that they face a lot of struggle. Luckily, you didn't face struggle there. In which areas did you face struggle that it took you 6 attempts? Of course, women entry is very, very competitive.
Right.
And I'm so glad that you have got such a good rank that you are now going to the OTA. So, which were the areas and was I able to help in any way?
Sure, sir. Of course. Otherwise, I was not sitting here for sure. Of course, your guidance helped me a lot. So
Okay.
during my college time interviews, that is like 8 semester interviews. So those I got conference out. So I felt that okay, I can do it. But after that, within like 10 months, my father got terminally ill. I was working in Bangalore and also planning to give my interviews. So because of his health, he was with me in Bangalore for some time. So I was not able to concentrate. My mind was not very lively as it is today. Now I have come up with all those obstructions of my father's health, my mother's health. After losing my father, I was getting screened out. Twice I got screened out, and I was not able to make up. Has that thing ended in me? Also, along with my family support, your criticism helped me more than your appreciation. Whenever you used to say कि तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, so I felt no sir, I'll do it. So that worked more, because for me, if somebody says like I have a personality like that, you can do it, I'm like yeah, I'll do it. But when somebody says you can't do it, then I'm like I work with double speed to get that. And along with that, the help of my friends, they motivated me. One of your recommended candidate Sushmita Banerjee.
Yeah.
She motivated me. After my father passed away, she came to know. She gave me a call and told me that you get in touch with Commander Rathore sir, follow his book, and definitely you should meet him. If you have financial fees constraints also, he considers that. And I'm so thankful to you for that. And she never let me give up on my dream. She said, you just go and give the interviews, rest we'll see. But after that also, sir, twice I got screened out. That was a big demotivation. But then I don't have a reason to live, if I say in short. If I don't do it, then I don't have anything. So I kept giving my interviews, improved every time I went there.
Because last time I interacted with you, during one of your SSB, you had fractured your leg.
Yes.
And yet you continued. Like most of people say कि अब तो fracture हो गया है, ये अपने बस की नहीं है.
Right.
Yeah.
So sir, getting screened out, first 2 conference out, then 2 screened outs. I was like, how am I going to do? Then again, I went for my 5th interview at Bhopal SSB. There, jumping off the snake obstacle race, there's a 8-foot wall that you have to jump.
Yeah.
That was my mistake. I just jumped like that without thinking anything, without planning how to jump. And I broke my 2 metatarsals. I didn't know. Even the MI person told me that it's just a fracture. It's just a this thing sprain.
Yeah.
You can't fracture your legs at metatarsal. It's a very supported area.
Okay.
I went after I got screened out, conference out, but my GTO made me do all my obstacles. He asked me, should I wash you out or you're doing? I said, I am doing, sir. Please get me a crab bandage and I'll manage. I did all those obstacles. So, sir, there was the biggest learning that if I could do all my obstacles with my one leg, because I literally threw myself off the obstacles that time, my leg was not supporting. And if I can do all those obstacles with one leg, I can do it with 2 legs also, which actually helped me in my next attempt. And I went with a good planning.
Good.
Mentally.
Okay. So since you were working also and you're preparing for SSB, of course, I would say 1.5 years of preparation or more makes you much better person at the end of 1.5 years. But during this, because you were working by the time you qualified for your OTA, you were working at a very good position. And you are earning quite a lot, so they must be extracting all the juice out of you.
Right.
So how did you find time to prepare for SSB?
So it is of course difficult. There are days when you miss out on your meals. You're not able to take care
You
of
miss
yourself.
out on your meals?
Yes, sir. Because I'm reaching home by 11 p.m. When should I have dinner? And next day again I have to start at 8.
Okay.
And I was doing home-to-home demos in Bhopal. Though
Okay.
my work location was Bangalore.
Okay.
But there was a time when I was actually, sir, just before my SSB, I was given a target from my company.
Okay.
That within these 20 days you have to conduct 10 home demos.
Okay.
And that demo can be of 30 minutes to 6 hours. I've
My
literally
God.
sat at customer's place for like 6 hours
My-
and got sales of 1 lakh each.
Okay.
And that gave me a
See,
promotion.
that is what I call a go-getter. You know, a person, whether she's working for her dream job or whether she's working for some other company,
Right.
she's giving her best. And I want my viewers to realize this, that whichever position you are in, whether you're studying, whether you're working, give your best there and then somehow find the time. So in all this missing out your dinner, you're still finding time to read and prepare for your SSB.
So sir, how I used to do is, it was in my mind that my job demands like 12 to 14 hours of my day, sometimes even 16.
Okay.
So if I subtract that 16 also, I have few hours in my hands. So I used to like sleep for 4-5 hours, and early morning I'll get up. I will not touch my phone for sure. I'll just go for my walking because I was not in a position to run after that fracture. So doctor advised me to only walk. I could walk like long distances.
Okay.
10-15 kilometers I used to walk fast.
10 to 15 kilometers?
Sir, I've done that because
Wow,
I couldn't
great,
run.
great, great. Yeah, because you can't run. Yeah.
I can't run, so I can
Yeah.
only walk. So
Yeah.
I used to walk more,
Yeah.
and no other activity I could do.
Okay.
Come back, read a newspaper for 15 minutes.
Okay.
And every week off, that is Monday, Tuesday, I used to plan from your book, ki
Huh.
these many topics I have to cover, these many days left for SSB.
Okay.
Every day I'll pick up one topic.
Okay.
And if it's my week off, at least 6 to 8 hours I'm studying. Nobody disturbs
Wow.
me in my office, and I
See,
study.
when you have a week off, you're not enjoying with your friends. You're not just having a big party, though you are running. You are devoting that time to your studies
Right.
through my book.
Yeah.
So it was a great help.
Yes.
Would you recommend that to our viewers?
Why not, sir? I have actually, as I told you, I have gone for 2 copies of it. So the day my leg got fractured, I was sitting on my sofa with my leg up in that, that fracture, this thing,
Sure.
cast for like 2 months. What to do? I can't do anything. Work from home and then do what? So I used to keep on reading that book, some extra material, some GK books, so that I can go for it.
That's a fantastic journey, Bharti, and I wish you all the best. I hope you keep up the same kind of gusto, the same kind of spirit in the armed forces also, because we need women like that, we need men like that who can actually fight the difficult circumstances and still be happy. And you see the happiness. I mean, she was happy like this when she came to me the first time, and she's happy now, though she has gone through a lot. I understand that. Any one last thing that you would like to share with our viewers?
So what I have learned is we should always, whichever stream you walk into, you should be always trained for it, ready for it, and mentally up for it. Like if I feel it sometimes, though I don't regret it, but if I would have got trained before this thing, before my first SSB,
Yeah.
I would have been in by that time.
Yeah.
Because I was not knowing what am I doing, how the assessor is going to assess it.
Yes.
If I say this, how the IO is going to take it and what next question will come. But because of these many attempts, I got trained, and then having a gap of 2 years between my attempts. So there was a 2-year gap in between. Again, I started. So this is actually my second innings. So I feel a lot of knowledge is required, good books to be referred, good coach. Because if you were not as a coach with me, my mother was not as a motivator, my friends were not there, my teachers were not there. It was not possible. It's not my own alone my success. It's the society. It helps me in this manner.
So kind words for not only me, your family, and the society. We need people like you, Bharti.
Thank you so much.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.